Unpacking, Relocate, a deep dive. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to explore a very useful term that you might encounter in everyday conversations, especially when talking about moving or changing places. The word is relocate. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it means and how to use it in sentences. Relocate is a verb that comes from two parts, re and locate. The prefix re often means again or back, and locate means to find a place or position for something. So, when combined, relocate generally means to move to a new place or position. For example, the company decided to relocate its headquarters to New York. She had to relocate because of her new job. Understanding synonyms can provide depth to your vocabulary. Some common synonyms for relocate are move, transfer, shift, resettle. Remember, while these words can be used in place of relocate, the context might slightly change the nuance of the sentence. 1. Jobs and businesses. As mentioned earlier, people or companies often relocate because of job or business opportunities. 2. The tech startup decided to relocate to Silicon Valley for better opportunities. 3. Natural disasters and safety. Sometimes people have to relocate due to external factors like natural disasters or for their safety. 4. After the flood, many families had to relocate to safer areas. 5. Personal reasons. People might also relocate for personal reasons such as being closer to family. 6. After her marriage, Lisa had to relocate to her spouse's hometown. And there you have it. Relocate is all about moving or shifting to a new place or position. It's a versatile term that can be used in various contexts, from business to personal situations. We hope this deep dive into relocate has been insightful and will help you in your English learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary.